Hello, today we're going to talk about how to pair the digital RV systems for SKU number 90113 and the 90137. That's the two-camera version of the 90113. First thing you do is screw in the antenna, and then we plug the monitor into 12 volts. You can use any 12 volts you like. You can use a cigarette adapter or whatever constant power source you have in your vehicle. Plug it into here, and then the monitor will show you no signal. If you're already on camera 1, you click on the menu button right here. And to enter pairing mode, you highlight the pairing and you click on REC. Now you'll see the countdown. The next thing is we're going to take the camera, which we already attached the antenna to it, plug it also into 12 volts, and hold down the button for 2 seconds. Once the countdown stops, it's in the pairing process. It takes it 1 or 2 seconds to see the image. 1 second here. And there you go. You got the first camera paired. Now we'll pair the second camera. A second here. All right, so we're going to move to camera 2. We're going to move that into pairing mode as well. We're going to click on the REC. Let the pairing begin. Bring in the second camera, as you guys see here. Plug that in. Hold the button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. 1 second here. And there you go. You got 2 cameras connected to it. Now, if you want to see it in a split screen mode, all you do is push in the cam button right here, and you'll see both cameras. Now, one little tip, if you see the speaker here, that means the sound is coming out of camera 1, but you can move it to camera 2. This is assuming that you got the sound upgrade and the split screen upgrade. Click on camera again to go see camera 1. One more time to see camera 2. It even shows you the reception right up there. And that's all there is to it. Thank you and have a great day.